Everybody, happy holiday. Guess what we're going to talk about today? We're going to talk about the best and the worst advent calendar. And let's get started today's video. Hello everyone, happy holiday. I'm Steve, founder of Yibu Beauty. I want to say thank you so much for your support of my skincare brand. And for this holiday and also our first Christmas, we have two amazing holiday gift set I want to share with you. And let's get started. The first one you're looking at here is our 3-piece glow set. In here, you'll get full-size multitasking serum, multitasking moisturizer, and our brand new Rose Quartz roller. Together they are $104, but wait, for this holiday season we are offering at $59. Plus we are offering 4 inches free installment. The second set I want to show you is my favorite set. It is our 4-piece dream set. So here you're getting the full-size multitasking serum, multitasking moisturizer, and our iconic multitasking tinted moisturizer. Lots of people using this, including professional makeup artists, using on the set. It's really great tinted moisturizer, more skincare than makeup. Plus you're also getting our brand new Rose Quartz roller. This altogether add up for $133, but for this holiday you only pay $79. On top of that, we are also offering 4 installment interest-free payments. So check out the link below and pick out your order. We are also offering Ebu gift cards, so it's a perfect time to buy a gift for your loved one too. Okay, so we're gonna zoom in the camera a little bit. It's slightly too far out, but you can see this is all the one I have. How many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then there's a couple different beauty box, but we're gonna talk about that. So really focus on advent calendar. 8 advent calendar, and let's kind of go through them real quickly, okay? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just kind of put this down first. And I gotta say that ever since I started doing my video every single day, I need a lot of content, and this is the first year I bought so many advent calendar. I don't think I ever spent this much money to buy advent calendar. Some of them are hit, some of them were disaster. So let's talk about some of the disaster advent calendar. And again, this is my own personal opinion, doesn't mean it's, you will feel the same way, but I would love to hear from you. Do you feel the same way or not? So let's talk about the worst advent calendar first. Hold please, let me get my glasses here. The worst advent calendar I got here is actually very disappointed because last year they had one of the best advent calendar, but this year is kind of, I don't know. It is the Look Fantastic advent calendar. So let me kind of put some of the advent calendar down a little bit so you guys can see a little bit more. Oh, there's a lot of stuff here. Just put that right there. Put this here. There's a lot of stuff here. Okay. Okay, so why is this worse? Well, when I say worse, it's not because of the price. I mean, I believe this is currently sold out already. Every year, Look Fantastic advent calendar sold out really, really fast because I forgot how much I paid, but I have a video. Oh, by the way, all the advent calendar I'm talking about today, I have an individual video. I'm going to put a link below. You can go back and check it out. But I think it's around $100 US or roughly around that. And so it's not because the price. I think for $100 you are getting this absolutely classic, beautiful advent calendar in individual box, which I really like it. I mean, it's really beautiful. What I'm mostly disappointed is the content in the advent calendar. Let me just give you some idea. I mean, a lot of time they just give you a deluxe sample, and the box are so big, and then the content inside. Look, I mean, just look at this. This is all deluxe sample, and there's really not that many full-size item here. I'm sure what's in here real quick. See, another travel size, and to me, I mean, like this is the box, right? This is the sample they give you. So I just feel like for $100, there's a lot of samples right here. So I was just not too pleased Yeah, there's one full-size item right here, like a bath bomb. Really? Yeah. So I just don't really care for the content in here. And they do have a pretty good brands in here that you can experience. But some of the items is really terrible. Like for this one, Balance Me Beauty Sleep Hyaluronic Mist. This thing smells weird. Yeah, let's clean this. So I mean, overall, I think I just feel like way too many travel size, and the item they give it to you, it's not really that fantastic at all. Oh, I want to show you. This is one of the item they give it to you. Yeah, can you even see this? No, you can't. Or they give you this little tiny little NARS blush or eyeshadow. Yeah, so to me, it's not worth the money. Thank God it was not too crazy expensive. So this is by far one of the worst advent calendar. Okay, the next, then I want to talk about another one's very disappointed. It is the Bodyshop advent calendar. And let me see how much is this here. Hold please. Okay, so this one is really affordable. How much did I pay? $79, value up to $132, and it's a really pretty box. You know, you open up like this, and the individual box. It's a very festive, and I love the box. You can repurpose the box. Okay, this doesn't say anything to some kind of Christmas messages in there. So I love this. I love the packaging. I just don't like the product. I never really tried Bodyshop before, and I didn't realize that their stuff has so much chemical fragrances in there. Synthetic fragrance, I'm sorry. It's just not me. I mean, to me, if you're gonna put fragrance on something, put essential oil in there. Because when I smelled very chemical alcohol fragrance, it just really turned me off. And the item inside is not bad. It's a lot of different shower gel, hair care. They give you a collection. I just personally don't like the scent. I don't like any of them. So I will probably buy this again because there were a lot, 24 items. I didn't find anything I like, honestly. It just, the scent, it's just so plastic, so fake. I don't like that. Okay, now I want to talk about this advent calendar right here, GLOSSYBOX. This is also another one. It's just about $100. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. And I think my review was, okay, it's $100, and if you want to give somebody to have this advent calendar experience, this is good. You know, you open it up, there's individual item in there. I mean, do I get money worth it? I definitely do. Like for example, they give a pretty nice size. It's not the travel size. It's much more better. Then look fantastic. So I do like this. And let me see if this is still available. I think they sold out too. Yeah, it's sold out. So yeah, so between the GLOSSYBOX and the look fantastic, next year you need to buy this in October. If you wait till December, they will sell out. And I think the content, it was okay. Let me see. Don't care. Ooh, okay. Now I want to show you some of my favorite advent calendar. They are really, really great. First one I want to show you is a L'Occitane. This is a really great advent calendar. How much did I pay for this? I bought this during the Sephora VIP sale. So hold on. And this is about $80, and I got also get 20% off, which is a really good deal. I don't like the calendar by itself because this is the one that it is the one that you actually opened, and it's hard to repurpose them. And I love L'Occitane, so there's nothing wrong about this. I mean, I love everything. They even give you a full. I think there's only one full size item here. It was the body. Oh, it was a hand cream, I believe. Yeah, it was a hand cream in here. So for the money that I paid, $80 plus 20%, L'Occitane is really great, and they are still available right now. So if you're looking for last minute gift, you're looking for something under $100, and you want to get something really nice, essential scent. Another one I really enjoy is the e.l.f. Cosmetics. Let me see how much I pay for this. So this one is also under $100, and they have some really amazing makeup. Let me show you guys this. I already pulled it out. Hold please. I think I put it in here already. Because the box is definitely not reusable. I wish they can make a box that reusable so it's easy to re-give or repurpose. I mean, this is really sad. But that's okay. That's okay. I enjoy the content, so I'm totally fine with this. $95. And I mean, let me see. And the value is 110, so it's not like a major value. But they give it almost everything they give you is fantastic. They give a big eyeshadow palette, blushes, face mist. They have 3 skincare travel size. They have an eyeshadow, primer, sponge, couple lip colors. So I mean, this is great. I put it in here. I mean, I think my sister would love this. So I definitely think that if you have somebody who love makeup but you don't want to spend too much money, e.l.f. Advent Calendar, I believe still available right now. If you want to get somebody who loves skincare, body care, L'Occitane. You know, if you love this person so much, buy them both. Okay, now I want to show you this Advent Calendar. Oh my god, this Disney Wishable Baby Advent Calendar sold out so fast. I think they were sold out within the first month. The back is kind of disaster. You kind of pop it open. You can definitely see that I kind of damaged the boxes already. But the content is so cute. It's just a little wishable baby, and I was using that to decorate my Christmas tree, and I also used the wishable baby as a decoration on my clothing. So this is super cute. Right now they also I don't have it. They also have this Christmas Disney what is it? Disney Puzzle Advent Calendar, and I gave that to my sister. I gave that to my niece already, so I don't have it, but I'll put a video down below. That's also a really great one to have, so family can play puzzle together. At first, I thought it was a 4 years or plus to play the puzzle. Oh my god, if you watch my video, it took me like 20 minutes, I can't even get it done. Yeah, not very good at puzzle, but that was a really good Advent Calendar. Disney this year has a couple different fantastic Advent Calendar. I also bought, I don't have it anymore because I already opened it. It's the Bracelets Advent Calendar, 12-day Bracelets Advent Calendar. Super cute, under $40. They sold out already. So I definitely think that Disney Advent Calendar is really, really, really good. Okay. One of the Advent Calendar, I think it's the most beautiful for display. It is the Ritual Advent Calendar. And let me see, do they still have it for sale? I remember I saw this Advent Calendar last year and they sold out so fast. So I told myself I gotta have it. And I believe, whoa, they still have it? There's a 2 prices right there. I think it's $112, and let me show you this. So you basically there's 24 items in there. Is that right? I forgot how many items. Basically, that each little house, little tree, there's a ritual body product in there or candle. Super cute. So what I have done is I put a little glue on the house and the base, and dust a little bit snowflake on top. So this look really like a snow village. And let me show you this. This is so beautiful. I mean, you can definitely repurpose this. Let me hold on. Oh my god, I got this all over me now. Hold please. So basically that after you set this up, let me show you. And there's a little light in there you can turn up too. like a little Christmas village. Super adorable. For about $110–$15. This is fantastic, and I use all their body product already. And again, their scents, it's more essential oil rather than synthetic fragrance. You know how much I hate that, right? So last one I want to share with you. Let me see, do they still have it? Oh my god, this, I'm blown away. It's so beautiful. So this one's currently sold out, but they may restock, so you can just put your email in there. So this one I really love. It's by Christian Dior, the 30-month-10. And this in here is the little mini advent calendar. See, I can't really afford the $550 one, but I can do $97. And just look at how pretty is this. It's basically the same thing like the big advent calendar, but just a mini size. And it comes with how many items in there? I already forgot. 4 deluxe items. Let me kind of show you one more time. It comes with their very expensive prestige serums. I did a whole video on that. Comes with a Dior, the fragrance, and the Miss Dior, the fragrance. Also a lipstick. I know there's not much item in here, but just the box, the presentation is so beautiful. And let me just take a look. Who wouldn't love to receive this? So I feel like this is the one is for somebody, you know, your loved one who like luxury, but you don't have a lot of money to buy them actual Dior accessory or Dior ready to wear or handbag. This is fantastic, beautiful, and even the box. Let me show you guys here. It's so pretty. So yeah, I just want to show you guys all the advent calendar that I purchased that I really enjoy. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys. If there's any advent calendar that you recently purchased you absolutely love, please leave the comment below, and so we can all check it out. Alright, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today, and I want to wish everybody a happy holiday and be safe out there. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!